What if I told you one of Hollywood's most humble stars seems to have found a way to freeze time? At 61, Keanu Reeves looks younger than men half his age. His face still carries the calm strength of The Matrix days. His body still moves with the same precision and power that made John Wick legendary. Yet there's no magic, no surgery, no secret laboratory routine. His secret lies in 5 simple foods, a balanced life, and a mindset built on peace, purpose, and gratitude. Keanu doesn't chase youth, he protects his energy. He once said he'd rather live quietly and truthfully than loud and restless. That choice of calm over chaos is visible in every line of his face. When you see him smile, there's no tension, no stress, just contentment. That serenity, more than anything, is what keeps him young. The calm philosophy: Keanu believes aging is natural, but decline is optional. He treats his body like a long-term companion, not a disposable machine. He avoids excess, whether it's fame, food, or attention. His friends describe him as humble, patient, and gentle, qualities that slow aging more than any cream or vitamin ever could. He doesn't live for noise. When the cameras turn off, he retreats into silence, riding his motorcycle through the city, fixing his bike in a small garage, or reading alone with tea. That rhythm lowers stress hormones and keeps his immune system strong. Most people chase adrenaline. Keanu chases balance. The first food: avocado and healthy fats. Each morning starts with something simple: ripe avocado on whole grain toast or blended into a green smoothie. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that feed the brain and protect the skin. Vitamin E, potassium, and natural oils keep his joints lubricated and his skin glowing. Instead of butter or cream, he uses olive oil, a habit he picked up while filming in Europe. These fats fight inflammation and help the heart stay strong. They also balance hormones, something many people over 50 struggle with. When Keanu heads to the set, he doesn't need caffeine crashes. His breakfast gives him steady energy for 12-hour days of stunts and rehearsals. The secret is simple: fuel the body with what it understands, not with what comes in a packet. The second food: leafy greens. Lunch for Keanu is light but rich in nutrients. Spinach, kale, arugula, and lettuce fill his plate. Sometimes he mixes them with chickpeas, grilled fish, or a handful of nuts. Leafy greens are full of antioxidants that clean the blood and repair cells damaged by pollution and stress. Magnesium and iron help oxygen reach muscles faster. One reason he can still train like a 30-year-old action star. These greens also keep his mind sharp and his blood sugar balanced. Keanu says that heavy meals slow him down, so he keeps his portions moderate. There's a lesson here for everyone. Eat foods that make you feel light, not tired. Your body will thank you in the mirror. The third food: lean protein, fish and chicken. Even after decades in Hollywood, Keanu still performs most of his own stunts. That means his diet has to build muscle without bulk. He focuses on lean protein: salmon, cod, chicken breast, and eggs. Salmon provides omega-3 fats for brain and joint health, while chicken gives pure muscle protein without excess fat. Dinner is usually a plate of grilled protein with brown rice or quinoa, plus vegetables cooked in olive oil. He avoids processed meats and limits red meat to once a week. Protein is his recovery tool. Every time he trains or fights on set, small muscle tears heal faster because his meals rebuild tissue naturally. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. His plate is never crowded, but every bite has purpose. The fourth food: berries and fruits. When the day slows down, Keanu reaches for berries instead of desserts. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries appear in almost every smoothie he makes. These fruits are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that protect collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm. They also boost memory and concentration, essential for long hours of memorizing dialogue and choreography. He once joked that berries are his sweet peace, a way to end the day with pleasure but without guilt. The natural sugars fuel his brain, while the fiber keeps his digestion strong. Even his snacks reflect balance: nature's candy over processed sugar. It's a small choice that adds up over decades. The fifth food: green tea and hydration. While most actors run on espresso, Keanu sips green tea. The mild caffeine wakes him gently, while catechins detoxify the body. He drinks several cups throughout the day, often unsweetened. It keeps his metabolism active and his mood steady. He's also serious about water. Whether it's on set or at home, a bottle is always nearby. Hydration keeps his skin fresh and prevents fatigue. He believes water is medicine: simple, cheap, and often ignored. Those 5 foods: avocado, greens, lean protein, berries, and green tea, form a loop of nourishment. They heal from inside out. None are exotic. None cost a fortune. The secret is discipline, not luxury. Training like time doesn't exist. Keanu trains to stay capable, not to show off. His workouts mix resistance, flexibility, and endurance. 3 to 4 times a week, he lifts weights with moderate intensity: push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and core routines. He focuses on smooth control, never ego. Martial arts remain a cornerstone. Years of judo and jujitsu have shaped his reflexes and posture. These arts build not just muscle but coordination, teaching the body to move as one unit. He cycles around Los Angeles whenever he can. The motion clears his mind and keeps his heart strong. Long bike rides are his moving meditation. Before sleep, he stretches quietly, often following routines from stunt training. Flexibility keeps his blood flowing and reduces tension. It also symbolizes his approach to life. Stay flexible, stay young, the power of rest. For Keanu, recovery is as sacred as training. He avoids nightlife, values quiet evenings, and protects his sleep schedule. Around 10 p.m., screens go off and lights dim. He reads or listens to calm music instead of scrolling through endless notifications. This routine helps the body release growth hormone, the chemical that repairs muscles and skin overnight. Quality rest is his natural anti-aging cream. He practices moments of silence every day, sitting without talking or thinking too much. That stillness resets his nervous system. It's his secret weapon against anxiety, the hidden killer of energy. Stress ages the body faster than time. Keanu refuses to let it take over. The minimalist way. Despite decades of fame, he lives simply. His home is modest, his wardrobe plain, his joy genuine. He's known to take public transport, eat with crew members, and tip generously. He's donated millions quietly to hospitals and film crews. This humility is more than character, it's health. Studies show generosity releases dopamine and oxytocin, the same chemicals that improve immunity and reduce inflammation. Every act of kindness is a small dose of youth. His spaces are uncluttered, he keeps what he needs and gives away the rest. A clear room leads to a clear mind, and a clear mind keeps the body calm. That's the secret no supplement can replace, the emotional strength. Keanu's life hasn't been easy. He's faced loss, heartbreak, and accidents, yet he never lets bitterness live in him. He accepts pain instead of running from it. When a reporter once asked how he stays so grounded, he smiled and said, "Grief changes shape, but it never ends. You just learn to carry it." That quiet acceptance saves him from the aging effects of stress. Chronic anger and resentment raise cortisol, which damages the heart and skin. Keanu's peace protects him better than any moisturizer ever could. His calm is not passive, it's strength under control. It's why, even when he's silent, people feel drawn to his energy. Peace has a glow of its own. Lessons for everyone. What can we learn from Keanu Reeves? Plenty, and none of it requires fame. Eat clean. Real food gives real energy. Swap fast food for home-cooked meals. Move daily. A walk, a stretch, a few push-ups. It's enough if done consistently. Sleep well. Protect your rest as fiercely as your work. Stay humble. Kindness heals the body. When you help someone, your brain releases youth hormones. Simplify life. Clutter breeds stress. Peace needs space. Keanu proves you don't need millions to age gracefully. You need routine, patience, and gratitude. The man who refused to age. At 61, Keanu Reeves hasn't outsmarted time. He's learned to live in harmony with it. His face shows life, not fear of aging. His body carries discipline, not obsession. He eats real food, moves often, sleeps deeply, and treats others kindly. That combination is the real fountain of youth. The secret isn't to stay young forever, it's to stay useful, peaceful, and alive every single day. Imagine waking up at 60 with the same strength and calm you had at 30. That's not fantasy. That's the reward of living like Keanu. So the next time you see him walking quietly through an airport, sipping tea, or riding his motorcycle into the sunset, remember, youth isn't something you chase, it's something you create. And as the world rushes by, Keanu Reeves stands still, timeless, proving that age will never win against discipline, peace, and heart.